Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to a special video on most trending topic currently in the market, which is Bajaj Housing Finance IPO. If you look at the numbers are staggering. The company has garnered around 3 lakh crores of rupees for an issue of 6,560 crores issue. This is the record IPO in terms of the oversubscription the stock had seen. Housing Finance is a non-deposit taking housing finance company, and it has been offering mortgage loans in India since the start of FY18. If you look at the small details about the IPO, the bidding has started from September 9 to September 11 till yesterday, and the bids will be finalized today. The issue price has been set around 66 to 70 rupees per share, whereas the lot size has been around 214 shares of. Overall, the company is planning to raise 6,560 crores of rupees with this fresh primary issue. Within this 3,560 crores is going to be a fresh issue of shares, whereas 3,000 crores will be offered on sale. Overall, IPO has been subscribed at 63.6 times, equaling around 3 lakh crores of rupees, whereas the NIS subscription, that is non-institutional investors subscription, was at 41 times. Retail investors quota was subscribed more than 7 times, whereas qualified institutional buyers quota was subscribed more than 200 times. Couple of advantages the company has been having is the strong parentage of Bajaj Group. Along with it, the company has a very good market share in India, and the company's assets under management have been rising consistently. If you look at the previous year's data, and the company has a reasonable cost of funds as well, because the company's group is into financial services with the arms called as Bajaj Finance and Bajaj FinServ. And overall, the growth potentials in this business are still intact in India, because still the mortgage market is in nascent stages in India. Only concern is asset concentration and exposure towards real estate is a sign of concern. But apart from that, the company has a very good operational experience, and it is going to do good in the market. That is what is expected from the company. And if you look at the grey market, it is suggesting a premium of around 75 rupees per share, which is equaling around more than 100% of listing gains, because the issue is set around 66 to 70 rupees per share. So grey market is expecting a listing gain of 100%. So whoever has subscribed to this issue and whoever has got the allotment are going to be very lucky in this IPO. But what if for those whose allotment is not done? Please don't worry. Let's wait for the stock to trade in the market, and let's wait for the stock to form IPO base as well, and take a call on the IPO base breakout. Until then, you can still wait and watch in the Bajaj Finance, and no need to rush and take fresh investment as soon as the stock leaks in the market. The stock will definitely give ample opportunity to take a fresh investment. For those who got the allotment, uh, lucky that you got the allotment and you can continue to hold it. And if there is any weakness, please follow our sell rules and also advanced sell rules as well, where you can track weakness in the stock. If you see stock falling on higher volumes, you can exit and book out the profit. Thank you.